Hello, class 4th. A very good morning to all of you. So, class 4th, I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class, as you all know, that we have started with chapter number 9 of our EVS, which is changing families. And we have discussed how the families are changing with the passage of time. Now, moving on in today's session. In today's session, we will be discussing page number 69 as well as page number 70 from our NCERT book. So now, let's begin with the session. New place. Tessering father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. So class, as we know that Tessering father got a letter from the office, and in that letter it was written that he was promoted. He got a promotion, and for that, in order to get the job, he has to move to another city because he got promoted. And in the image also we can see that his father with his boss congratulating him and with an envelope, and in that envelope we can see that he was being promoted and he was very happy. Now in the another image class, when he got to know about his promotion, he shared his news with his family, with all the members of his families, his wife, his parents, as well as with his children, because he has achieved something and he was so happy to got that achievement, and he has to move to another city in order to get the job, because we got to know that he was promoted, and he told everyone in his family that he was promoted. So everyone in his family was very happy. So class, this happens with us also when our parents got promoted, and if they have to move to the another city, we all are filled with an excitement of a new place. We will be seeing a new place, new culture. So the same was with the children. Furthermore, the family was very happy. Now, when Tessering father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? Yes, class. Now, how would you think that his parents, wife, and children would have reacted? They would have been very happy because his father got a promotion. He will be earning better. He will be in a better state. So, everyone in the family would be very happy. His father will be very proud on his son, yes, that my son has achieved something. His mother will be very happy. His wife will be very happy. Talking about the children will be so happy to see everyone in the family. Now, moving on to page number 70, we can see in the first image that everybody is packing, since we got to know that his father got a promotion and he is going to the new place. So now for shifting to another place, we have to pack up. We have to pack all the things, all our belongings, because we are going to a new city. We are going to explore something new, and we are going to live there for, I don't know for how much long, but yes, we are going to start our new life. So in the third image of page number 70, we all can see that everybody is doing packing. The girl is packing her clothes, the grandmother is packing pickles. This happened with ours. When we are going somewhere, our grandmother packs pickle and all the homemade stuff for us. So similarly in the image also, we can see that the grandmother is packing some homemade pickles, some achar, some papad for his son so that they can eat. Similarly, the grandfather is also doing some packing for his son because he is going to another town as he is being promoted. So you can see that all are busy in doing some kind of the packing. The girl is packing clothes. The grandmother is packing homemade pickles, papads, and another homemade stuff, as well as the grandfather is also packing something for his son. So in our families also, class, when we are shifting from one town to another town, our grandmother, grandparents, they pack something for us, so that if we miss them, we can enjoy, we can eat those things and remember it. And in the last image, class, we can see that they are in a railway station, and their family has come to say them bye because they are going to a new city. So you can see the fourth image on the page number 70, that a train is there, and his Tesri, his wife and children, all you can see is there. So you can see that they're just giving them goodbye because they are going to new place, and the family has, all of them has come to the railway station in order to see off. So class, this all happens with us also. When we go to some new place, we can see that there are our grandparents, our cousins, our relatives come together to see off, to say her bye, so that we can have a good journey, we can take care of our belongings. So this happens with us also, the same which they are experiencing. All the family members come together and say us goodbye, the same we can see. So class, now we will be starting page number 71 of our NCERT book. It's a wedding. There is great joy in Nazil's home. Today, her elder cousin's brother is getting married. So class, today is a great day and it's a great moment of happiness for Nazil, as his his cousin brother is getting married. So there are four images which is given to us, and we will be describing the entire phase of marriage. In the first image, we can see that the bride is sitting with her cousin sister. She is feeling nervous, and the sister is feeling so happy to see a new member in the family. They both are beautiful, they both are looking beautiful. The bride is wearing the red colored dress, which we considered auspicious for a bride to wear a red colored dress. Furthermore, the Nazil is very happy because she's sitting with the bride, and she's so happy because a new member in her family is going to come. In the second image, we can see that there is one mother of the bride, or you can say some known one of the bride, and she is talking to the bride, she is taking care of the bride, and they both are discussing something. Okay, and Nazil is so happy, that she is very happy. You can see the smile on her face. Yes, that there is someone new in her home with whom she can talk, with whom she can play. So you can see in the second image, Nazil is smiling, plus the bride is talking to her mother. They are performing some ritual. So you can see in the second image, there is the mother-in-law in the image, and plus she is taking care of the bride is talking to her, and we can see that Nazil is being very happy with this situation. We can see that Nazil is smiling, and we can see her happiness on her face. In the third image, we can see that a ritual is being performed. So in marriage zonally, we can see there are lots and lots of rituals. So in third image, we can see that one ritual is being performed of entry in the house. So they are entering the new woman, the new person in their house, and all of us can see so much of smiling. So in third image, we can see that one ritual is being performed while entering, and because there is the new person in the house, there is a wedding in the house, we perform so many rituals. Whenever there is a wedding in the house, class, we all perform a ritual. So similarly, in the case with this also, they are performing ritual in the house, and they are entering the wife of her cousin brother. So you can see there is ritual being performed. She is looking happy, everybody is looking happy, they are looking so joyful, everybody can be seen smiling. And the last image, we can see that the bride becomes the member of the family. They are eating together, they are smiling together. The mother-in-law is taking care of her daughter-in-law, plus Nazi is so happy. So you can see that with the passage of time, the bride becomes the proper member of the family. They are taking care of each other, they are are enjoying the food, they are talking with each other, they all can be seen happily. So a wedding shows you the new phase of a life for a woman or for a girl as she goes to a new home, and we can see that the entry also, and with sooner or later she becomes the member of the family. Plus they take care of the bride, everybody is happy, and you can see in the fourth image she becomes the part of the family. And in fact class, there is the special dishes that being cooked in the wedding. Whenever we go in a wedding, we eat so much variety of the dishes that can be we eat in the wedding. And finally we can see in the fourth image that she becomes the part of the family, and they all are happy, they all are eating. Okay, so class, make sure to read this page number 71 of your NCRT, and today we will be doing the exercises of page number 72 and as well as 73 of our EVS book. Okay, so today we will be doing certain exercises of our book, so make sure to do them in the book itself. Thank you.